Soft target. Oh!
Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up.
I think he's out of countermeasures, bro. At least the other ones.
He's got personal defense shit. I'm testing him.
All right, that's going through. Small. Hit, baby.
Come
No,
on.
why did it shoot? Why is it shooting?
Actually,
it hit. It hit.
Hit.
Let me know when you're firing a torp so I hold off on this chin gun, dude. I don't want to hit these torps.
aim towards the engines.
Hey, he's maneuvering.
I got 30 rounds left.
Yep. Hold him until. All right, his shields are down, so aim for his engines.
All right, firing torp.
Come on, baby.
Hey, fucker. Nah, it says fucking PDWs again. They're gonna fucking.
Yep, just nail his engines. There's two. That one's out. All right. Keep knocking his engines out, bro.
Go ahead, keep firing. Go ahead, keep firing. Oh, I'm
Knock his engines out.
Please tell me you're recording.
I'm not.
Almost taking his engines out, dude.
I got 7 rounds left. Trying to get this last engine.
I'm on it. He definitely cannot fucking
All right, that's it.
His engines are out.
I got 1 round left. I'm out of rounds. I'm moving guns.
What are we doing? Aiming for the bridge?
Who's got?
Just
Mobile. Yep, dumbfire torps.
right in the middle.
Four of
Aim for center mass. Aim for center mass. There you go. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Dump them.
Yeah, let's do one more. Oh, dude, hey, his
singles.
floor is just open.
He's supposed to be trying to get it out. Oh, is he running?
He can't. He can't.
His engines are cut.
Dumbfire.
I'm trying. I'm waiting for it to reload. Manually reloaded. Oh!
Oh, he is all red. Come on, boys.
You boys. God damn, this is probably the best end of the night we could have had.
Hey, did he just bail?
Reload.
No.
He
It's not done yet. He's out of power. He doesn't have any power.
He's probably trying to get off. So he's still definitely in it. Here it is!
There we go. Beautiful. Oh my god, we just had an off-the-rip Polaris battle and won, dude.
What was it? Dan guest?
EA guest.
Oh, yeah.
EA guest.
Alright, let's talk shit.
Yeah. I need to go get a beer.
Wow.